Introducing our officials for this match. First referee, Mr. Jeff Villarreal, National Referee. Second referee, Mr. Rodrigo Rojas, National Referee. Let's call on our starting lineup from our Lady Eagles of the Ateneo de Manila University. Let's start off with jersey number 1, Ariel Patnongon. At number 3, Michelle Morente. Wearing jersey number 12, Julia Melissa Morado. Wearing jersey number 16, Amy Ahomiro. And at number 18, Casarandra Hegeliana. Team captain, number 2, Eliza Valdez. Head coach, Mr. Parley Tupaz. Calling on our Lady Navigators from the St. Louis University. Wearing jersey number 1, Florence Madulid. At number 3, Roxanne Almonte. Wearing jersey number 8, Elaine Joy Danielle. At number 11, Colleen Rossi. And wearing jersey number 13, Christian Tuchia. Their team captain, number 9, Marian Torres. Libero, number 7, Zarina Mejia. Head coach, Mr. Henry Fuentes.
So once again, Ateneo playing without a libero as we rejoin the action dito po sa San Juan Arena sa San Juan City. Ateneo naghahanap ng paraan na matapos din at number 1 sa Group A. Ito naman kupunan ng St. Louis looking for their first win. How does it feel like, Attorney Z, to be wearing green and cover an Ateneo match?
I don't know, it feels weird.
Ako naman siyempre, taga Baguio ako, so paano yan, di ba? But again, itong kupunan ng St. Louis, kung hindi lang siguro medyo rigorous yung kanilang travel schedule,
I know.
They might have won 1 game or 2. Maganda naman na nilalaro nila rito.
Grabe nga eh. Isipin mo yun, luluwas ka just for the game. Parang NBA game,
oh,
diba?
Good nga eh. It's good. Uy, gumaganda na yung mga kalye going to and from Baguio ngayon.
Actually.
So right now we are underway. Here's Christian Chuchia trying to get the first score of the game. At yung dig naman doon, ito si Ariel Patnongon. Is going to go wide. At dito mamimiss ng Ateneo si Denden Lazaro. At Patnongon has to play in the back row ngayon.
So Kiwi, Amy Ahomiro, having to fill in for Denden Lazaro.
Denden Lazaro's missed her second game already of the tournament. And there's Eliza Valdez. At alam naman natin, pag siya nakapalo, nakascore, medyo sumasakit yung tenga natin.
Humawa ka lang ng bola eh.
Yun na nga eh. 9-1. Amy Ahomiro now to serve for Ateneo. If it's Fun Family Pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's. We talked about Amy Ahomiro, grabe development ito. And it was actually an accident where she was shifted from utility spiker to middle blocker, and it worked. Not only did it work, they won a championship.
Yeah. Actually, when she was still practicing with the team, she wanted to play middle. She's pretty tall, pero yun nga, parang, di ba, weird na merong kaliweting gitna. But it actually worked for them last season.
That one goes into the net. Tuputos yan para sa St. Louis. Look at this, St. Louis up to an early lead here, 3-1. And nagiging trend na rin yan. Even Adamson now has shifted Mylene Paat from utility spiker to middle blocker. Kaliwete rin yon. So ngayon, dinadaan na sa height. Hindi na kung anong left-handed ka, right-handed. Kung matangkad ka, kailangan ka namin sa gitna.
Right.
Eliza Valdez deflected that time. Here's the combination play for Christian Chuchia. Mitch Morente. And Eliza Valdez gives it up. Combination once again. Chuchia, number 1 source of attacks. Oh, Gia Morado magugulat. And Elaine Daniel gets it across. Long rally. Morado, quick set to Patnongon. Kept alive again. And Colleen Rossi gets it across. Morado, sa kabila naman. Ayan na si Eliza!
It goes in!
So it is now St. Louis 3, Valdez 2. As Eliza has gotten the first 2 points para sa Ateneo. And a very excellent cross-court attack there coming from the San Juan, Batangas native. Malapit lang kami doon ng Holy Week, ha? Sana pala, tinanong ko, Eliza, may beach house pa kayo dyan? Diyan na lang muna kami sa Florence Madulid. Drops that one in, 4-2 to St. Louis. Doon sa San Juan, I don't know if you've been to San Juan already.
Yeah,
Daming beaches na magaganda ron.
Actually, it's a long stretch of
Coastline, ano?
Yeah.
That one goes long on the serve from Chichia.
Good read by Kiwi Almiro. Ayan na.
Okay na. Parang
Ayan na.
biglang dumadami ang mga kuliglig sa tenga natin. Pag-serve ni Alyssa Valdez. Daniel, Madulid, turned back there by Patnongon. Back set ngayon, papunta kay kay Almonte, and Gia Morado crashes into the boards.
Buti na lang,
the boards.
Yeah, buti na lang malambot-lambot yung tinutuntong
But again, I'm a big fan of this young lady. As we thank our friends from Axel, the official outfitter of the Shakey's V League. How old is she? 17? Gia Morado?
Incoming second year, so 17, 18.
17, 18. And she put for a freshman to lead a school to a championship. As Mitch Morente, who's starting to fall in love with that utility spiker spot na isa pang aksidente yun eh. Nung nilipat, as we take a look at it again, nung nilipat si Amy Ahumiro sa gitna, nilagay naman si Mitch Morente, instead of coming off the bench for Ella De Jesus, nilagay siya sa utility and it worked out well.
Well, it's just a way of the coach maximizing their potential of the players.
Kwento pa nga sa akin ng mga players, actually then nagkikwento. We have another score here for St. Louis na pag-practice daw ng Ateneo, 50 bola daw ang kay Mitch Morente. At sabi nga ni Alyssa, parang nga kami mga special guest pag may ensayo. Sa Mitch Morente's practice, guest lang kami doon. Another service error here for the Lady Navigators. But why is that, I mean, talagang si Coach Tai, talagang tinututukan niya si development ni Mitch Morente.
Well, I guess Coach Tai saw potential in her. Tsaka kasi okay naman yung si Michelle nung start. Pero, yun nga, pag talaga natutukan pa, mas okay yung performance.
Morado sending it to Kim Gekiliana, who's now starting in place of Ella De Jesus. Ahumiro, lumalaban ito mga ko, and Rossi overshoots it. St. Louis with a spirited start dito, Zia.
We're now in 6-all.
Colleen Rossi had the whole zone 1 to herself, pero napalakas lang yung kanyang tira. And the aforementioned Mitch Morente now to serve. Here's Daniel, and Morente darts out of nowhere. Iuhulog sana, Morado. Morente now going to Gekiliana.
And it goes out.
That one just goes out. And Gekiliana, of course, her older sister Camille plays for St. Benilde.
Yeah. I noticed nga nung isang araw, parang, uy, Gekiliana, kapatid ba na yun?
Older sister. But again, good exposure para dito kay Kim. If they can develop her already. Of course, Ella De Jesus is lost for the season for Ateneo. Hindi tatawid yung tirang yon. Nitong si Roxanne Almonte as Ateneo is now up by 2 points. Bato natin ngayon to Rina Villamor.
Yes, naman ang underdog tag. Maybe too much of an understatement para nga dito sa kupanan ng St. Louis University who's still one-less in the team standing. Sabi nga ni Coach Henry Fuentes dito, their number 1 rule is to enjoy their game and to maximize their playing time because they have nothing to lose but everything to gain here because this is for their own benefit. What they need to avoid in today's ball game is to play like Diesel here. Ang Diesel daw kasi mabagal sa umpisa. Kumbaga sa last games nila, sa umpisa, mabagal sila tapos nakakahabol lang sila sila sa third set nila. Aside from that, they also need to see improvement on their service receive coverage and don't just simply give this game in a silver platter for the Lady Eagles. Only Tamia Joseph won't be seeing action in today's ball game for them. Meanwhile, for the Lady Eagles, everyone has to step up in today's ball game considering na marami nga ang wala sa kanila. Even their libero, Denden Lazaro, won't be seeing action due to a left sprained ankle that needs at least 2 more weeks of rest. Noel?
Papamasahin na nga daw siya sa'yo mamaya rin eh. Sabi, uy, PT pala yung punta ako dun mamaya. Pero you notice during that huddle kanina, usap kami ni Denden, you do your best impression of Coach Tai. Kasi ikaw naman, assistant coach ka ngayon, di ba? Ginagawa ka niya kanina. Hopefully we can get to hear it again later on. A long rally going on here. Gekiliana, ilulusot, Rosie.
Alive.
And got across from St. Louis. Again, Daniel with a good dig. And Torres and Rossi nagkabanggaan that time. So 9-8 Ateneo is up by 1. And now Kim Gekiliana. Mikasa is the official ball of the Shakey's V-League. Nakikita nga natin the youngsters naman from Ateneo, they're all over the place. People like Bea De Leon, Risa Sato, ito si Joanna Maraginot. And may tinatago pang ibang players itong Ateneo. So, it's not true that when the Fab 5 graduates, the program ends for Ateneo.
Siyempre, we still have to continue yung program na binigay ng school for us.
And Mejia gets to that one from Valdez. Chuchia will give up a free ball. Morado once again. Alyssa.
Still dug up.
No second ball.
Yeah.
Mahirap na nalayo ni Daniel eh. Ateneo reclaims the lead. So slow start to say the least para dito sa Lady Eagles. Lion, Tiger, Mosquito, Coil, and Aerosol, proud partners of the Shakey's V-League. Maraming salamat sa inyo. I will try my best to pronounce Amy Ahumiro's real name later on, ha? Kaya mo ba? Kaya mo ba?
Rongo may papa.
Yeah. Just like that, ano? Chuchia sends that one to Baguio. 11-9. So yung mga errors, ang daming errors dito na St. Louis at the start, ha?
And to think na dikit lang yung scores, 11-9.
Well, Ateneo has a few errors of their own as well. Ano ulit?
Rongo may papa.
Rongo may papa. Ahumiro. Chuchia.
No one to get the ball.
Remember that Christian Chuchia scored 26 points in her debut, which marks the best debut of a Shakey's V-League rookie since Jiang Boli.
Wow.
Nobody has scored more than 26 points except Jiang Boli in a debut. So Christian Chuchia, problema, hindi naman niya nasundan yun.
Napagod sa biyahe papunta dito.
And there is Valdez once again, dug up. Chuchia. Chuchia, maganda simula ngayon, ha?
Narinig ko eh.
Oo.
Last game naman daw.
Last game, go out to the back. She can score 26 again. That's gonna be a good sign for St. Louis in trying to get an upset dito. Colleen Rossi, we call her Doktora. Tapos magiging doktor daw siya one day. Gekiliana, yep. A specialty. Daniel sending it to Chuchia, and Chuchia scores again.
3 straight points for her.
And Ateneo is probably looking for Denden Lazaro every time, ano? I mean, what kind of adjustment ba kailangan nyo? Wala kayong libero. Sometimes makakalimutan mo, wala kang libero, no?
Right. Siyempre, ang mga libero, they have the license to receive and dig everything. Kahit hindi papunta sa kanila, kukunin pa rin nila. Kaya it's a different field pag walang libero sa isang team. Especially kapag yung pinapalitan, cannot receive the ball.
Gia Morado using her coconut that time. Good serve there from Morado, and that's going to lead to a setting error kontra dito kay Elaine Daniel. So again, continuing to impress us, ito si Gia Morado. Maganda pa rin, she's still growing tall. Ano ba height niya? It's about 5'7" na yata right now.
I don't know.
Baka tumangkad pa yan to about, sabihin natin, umabot siya ng 5'9". Think about that, no?
Wow.
You have a 5'9" setter.
Yeah. Just like Denise Tan from USC.
Exactly. So Denise is mga 5'11" na yata si Denise. Tina Salak is also about 5'11" as well. Alyssa Valdez scores.
Palakpakan ng mga tao.
Oo. Si Eliza parang petics pa dito sa simula, eh, no? Parang warm up lang tayo ng konti. Medyo malayo biyahe mula Katipunan din naman. Can actually get
layo
there.
ng Baguio.
15 minutes o naman. Mejia on the reception. Chuchia once again. Back set ngayon. Morente into the net. Dikit pa rin itong ating first set, ha?
Silang lamang ng Ateneo sa St. Louis.
And now Christian Chuchia nasa likuran. Lion, Tiger, Mosquito Coil, and Aerosol, proud partners of the Shakey's P-League. Morente. Eliza. Ayan na naman. Eliza talaga, no, yung angles. And I think she learned this from you and Phil Kainglet on how to work the angles more. Kasi alam natin, Eliza, power lang. Patay kung patay. But now she's working with the angles.
It's a sign of a developing player. When nakikita mo yung progress na, yun nga, power lang, tapos eventually using their brain.
That's right. Aquino and Geronimo will check in para naman dito sa St. Louis. So, Ailisa Aquino and Lorraine Geronimo. Aquino, of course, is the backup setter. Now to serve. Good serve. Morado on her horse. Gekiliana. Mejia. Yep. Almonte, good defense by Pacnongon and Morente. Pero dikit pa rin po itong ating first set. Ateneo 16, St. Louis 14. What's it? Kasi yung mga iba, mas pinupunan nila yung kalaban eh. Sabihin, ano ka ba, traidor ka? Hindi naman, di ba? 16-14 right now, and the very long and lean Ariel Pacnongon. We were actually talking about Ariel Pacnongon before we came on the air. When she started out as a rookie, medyo chubby pa siya eh. Pero ngayon, ano ba, supermodel ng katawan eh. What has she been doing to keep this shape up, di ba?
It's Coach Ty's training that has been doing the body.
Roxanne Almonte scores. So ito ngayon si Eliza Valdez figuring out what's going on dito as Sunshine Banhawan sees her first action of the game. Serve specialist naman para sa St. Louis. Banhawan is the lefty. That's a sharp serve pero too sharp into the net. So it has been a story of errors para sa magkabilang kupunan dito sa ating first set so far, attorney.
Yes, from SLU actually, they already have 7 unforced errors, while Ateneo naman, 4 pa lang naman.
Morente on the serve. Here's Aquino going to Geronimo on the quick. Morado. And Ahumiro cannot get it through. Morado once again. Combination play. Good sell there by Ateneo. And Gekiliana able to get it down the line. Timeout now for St. Louis. Lamang na po na 3 ngayon ang Lady Eagles.
Tama na ginagawa mo. Huwag bibitawan yung dulo. No? Yung open para na sa'yo. Yung quick. Kanina natatangay ko yun. Ginagawa ni Morada. Gumaganon lang siya. Nagsiswing ka na kagad dito. Tangay ka agad. Basahin mo muna. Basta niya dadali. Tinitingnan mo paano ka gumalaw eh. Pag nag-move ka dito, tinatapon niya sa dulo. Tingnan mo lang muna siya. Umika, tapos balik ka mo doon. Sige lang, sige lang. Tama yun. Huwag ka matigil sa open. Huwag matigil open. Yung line. Huwag mo bigay yung gagawin.
Tignan po natin ulit yung huling play na ang ganda ng benta. It really looked like a quick play para kay Ahumiro, and Gekiliana unmolested dun sa kanyang tira.
Yes,
Tignan natin
it was
ulit.
a clean hit.
Yep.
Hindi tumama sa blocker. And a point converted for Ateneo.
Kailan kaya balik ni Coach Ty? Mabuto pa kaya niya yung dulo nitong Billy?
Hindi ko lang alam.
Enjoy sa muna sa Bangkok. Service ace. Galing dito kay Morente. So Ateneo doing all the right things at just the right time.
Parang ano yan eh, parang pa-peak lang. Tama-tama. Sa dulo. Parang ano lang yan, 400-meter dash. Sa dulo ka mag-sprint to the finish line.
Let's see if, Almonte cannot get it across. Let's see if St. Louis has a finishing kick din dito. Now they have fallen behind by 5 points. Kanina, 16-14 yung score natin sa second technical timeout. So now it is a
5-point lead.
Yeah, 4-1 run for Ateneo. Good serve again coming from Morente. Inangat, walang titira. Pinamigay ni Almonte. Morado now. Setting it to Gek Iliana, kept alive. And Chuchilla is heading towards the dugout. Okay lang ba siya? And another timeout here called by St. Louis. Kala ko dire-diretso siya sa mga ilalim ng bench eh. I hope she's okay.
Nagbibigay-bigay na sila. Puro pabuka. Pabuka ang play nila. Yung depensa natin. Yung wala tayong depensa. Umangat kami yung palo nila. Kanina nakalagay-lagay lang. Ganda ng galaw ng depensa nyo. Ngayon, nag-adjust sila sa paluan. So, adjust nila yun. Last time mo na natin to. Okay?
Hilo-hilo pa si Chuchilla after that spill, ano?
It was a surprise to her na dumiretso siya all the way to the bench.
Okay.
She's actually the one leading for SLU in the attack department.
Right.
With 5 excellent points.
Yung buhay, ito yung sugod dito ni Chuchilla. I want you to take a spill there towards the last and then go straight under the benches. And it looks like she's okay naman.
Buhay pa naman.
Oh. Served by Morente. Aquino combination. Colleen Rossi. Kept alive by Eliza. Kept alive by Morente. And kept alive by Morado. Aquino and Rossi makes full use of the scampering defense ng Ateneo.
It's a good decision by the setter actually. Nakita niya na hindi pa nakapwesto yung blockers. Well,
at hiningi naman talaga ni Rossi yung bola. Parang, ka na. 21-16, still a 5-point lead for Ateneo. There's Morado going to Gekiliana off the block. Almonte gets to it. Aquino sends it up for Chuchilla.
A good receive.
Here's Gekiliana once again. Chuchilla. Aquino back to Chuchilla. Off the block, Eliza Valdez. Morado, quick set. Ahomiro. Oy, ay. Trying to do too much that time. Ito si Aquino. And again, it's a long learning process para dito sa St. Louis. Pero they had their chances dito sa ating first set. Although hindi pa tapos ito. If it's Fun Family Pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's. Kim Gekiliana. Setting error. That's the second one on Aquino.
2 points na lang for Ateneo to finish the set.
Gonna be a substitution once again. Paris, syempre, Paris lumabas. Paris dapat babalik. Torres and Daniel return. Ganun talaga substitution, no? Dalawa lalabas, dalawa ulit kailangan pumasok.
Kasi kung isa lang yun, they might have 2 setters or 2 attackers and 2 setters.
Minsan naiipit yung substitution. We've seen that happen. Although ito si Elaine Daniel, as we have a service ace from Gatiliana. Elaine Daniel actually won an MVP award in high school as an open spiker.
Wow! Talk about converting players.
Converting. So, we have 8 set points now for Ateneo. All of a sudden, they've blown the first set open. Gatiliana, and that will do it. 25-16. Slow start for the Lady Eagles, pero nakuha pa rin nila yung ating first set. Courtesy of back young lady Kim Gekiliana at second set sa aming pong pagbabalik.
Joboy si Mitch. Pinsan ko. Hey, I just met you. And this is crazy. Pero what's your number?
0.
Ay, bang network?
Text me?
Maybe.
Wala nang text me maybe. With Talk in Text, only text to all 20. 20 pesos lang. 2 days na only to all networks na. Panalo.
Text, ha?
Text mo rin? Definitely! Hanggang bukas pa! Sa only text to all 20, panalo ka!
From the leader in mobile, call and text like there's no tomorrow. Smart prepaid only call and text 25.
I'm so unlucky.
Real-time only text. Clear only calls.
We're here.
Now to 3 networks. For only 25 pesos. Text only 25 to 6406.
Hi.
Friend, only text again?
Sana.
Joey, only call ang tropa?
Sana. Dalawa ang only ko.
Tol, di na pipili. Sa Only Text All plus Only Tropa Call. Only Text All. Only Call, ka pinakamalaking tropa. Panalo!
Textan?
Tawagan?
I-Only na yan! 20 na! It's 8320 to 4545. Panalo!
A call you can't make can mean you don't care. A bad connection and the moment is lost. A text that never came can cost you a relationship. In a world where every second counts,
Ito yung masasakot na numero. Lamang ka sa attack point. St. Louis out-attack Ateneo, which is rare. But look at the errors.
Yun nga eh. You can see parang 3 times yung yung errors ng SLU. We can see Ateneo only having 4 while they have 12.
Well, itong Ateneo, you already said that they had 4 errors kanina. So hindi na nadagdagan yung errors ng Ateneo towards the end of the first set. Kung saan sila humataw against itong St. Louis.
Girl, boy, match.
Okay, adding now on Facebook,
At home na lang?
Twitter, chat,
We're chatting now.
Kuripot.
Hey! Baby girl! Worried about mobile internet costs? Try new SmartNet. It's free and easy mobile internet access. Free Facebook, Twitter, Yahoo email, and much more.
Hi. Your order?
Make your move with SmartNet. At this very moment, millions of calls, billions of messages, and trillions of bytes of data can all travel at light speed in a line as fine as this. That's the power of fiber optic technology from Smart. 54,000 kilometers. That's 4 times more fiber power across the Philippines. That's better than a modern network. Live more with a leader in mobile.
Dito sa silangan, ako isinilang kung saan nagmumula.
Ang sikat ng araw.
Ako ay may sariling kulay kayumanggi. Tayo'y mga Pinoy, tayo'y hindi kanon. Huwag kang mahihiya.
SmartBro, our fastest mobile broadband with 4 times more fiber power from the leader in mobile, Smart.
Tayo'y mga Pinoy. If you wanna see me happy, then let's all go to Shaky. Why don't we just head over for an awesome get together? Let's all go to Shaky. Let's all go to Shaky for some fun, family, pizza, and more. What a perfect score! Let's all go to Shaky.
Yay, that's another of the lifting violation. So, ang tanong ko rito, does Ateneo have a libero in training?
Well, seeing from their lineup now, mukhang wala pa naman.
Oo. So, Giselle Tan is the backup setter. And everyone else is a striker. De Leon, Maraguinot.
Yes.
So, that's something that I think the program needs to look at, ano? Because Denden Lazaro will be playing in her last year, if I'm not mistaken, this coming, 77, di ba? Last season na ni Denden Lazaro. A lot of people mistook of being part of the Fab Five. Ganyan na siya katagal naglalaro para sa Ateneo. Oh! Bea De Leon! The product of Poveda, if I'm not mistaken. And now it is Giselle Tan.
Still serving.
And may jump, may power serve na rin siyang tinatago ngayon sa Roxanne Almonte. Or make that Marian Torres scores para sa St. Louis. And you can see the young kids coming out of Ateneo ngayon, yung mga bagong recruits, and then you see them playing here.
It's a good experience for them.
Alam mo, sa UST, marami rin ganyan eh, no? And of course, we have already seen sa UST, si Enaji Laure is already playing here. She has another sister pa, who's also going to be playing. So, the Laure sisters coming for USC, that's an entirely new generation na. Maraguinot on the serve. Daniel. Galing sa likod, si Chuchia. Maraguinot tries to save it. Maraguinot has to give up a free ball. Daniel. Uy, quick play talaga yon, hindi fake yon. Akala combination, di lumundag si Chuchia.
There was a miscommunication by the players from SLU.
Axel is the official outfitter of the Shakey's V-League as Joanna Maraguinot hits into the net. I wonder what was it like for you as a freshman to take to the Shakey's V-League court for the very first time?
Naalala ko nun, may salubong na bolang pa out. Tapos inilagan ko, tapos tumama sa akin. Talking about
your first game.
Burst of fire.
I remember that. Pati si Jem Ferrer, I think, was called for more double touches in that match than the entire duration of her career sa Shakey's V-League. 7-6. Dikit pa rin po tayo. Ateneo up by 1. Now we are tied at 7 after Morente misses everything. So ito na naman, slow start for Ateneo. St. Louis creeping back in. At salamat sa mga kaibigan natin sa Lion, Tiger, Mosquito Coil, and Aerosol, proud partners of the Shakey's V-League. Tan leaves it for De Leon. Galing sa likod, medyo may kalayuan na yan, parang Chuchia. Here's Kim Gakiliana trying to penetrate the defense, and she does. Ateneo up, but only by 1 at the end of our at our first technical timeout.
Text 8320 to 4545.
A call you can't make can mean you don't care. A bad connection and the moment is lost. A text that never came can cost you a relationship. In a world where every second counts, count on Smart, the biggest network to belong. To let go. To spend your precious time on the small things. Because your time is your life.
In this match, communicate more and to smile more dahil ang nangyayari, sobra silang nape-pressure at sobra silang nade-depress in that first set. Just a short update dito kay Christian Chuchia. Nakita na nga natin kanina, dumala siya dun sa floor ng side nila. At nakita ko rin, hindi naman siya nagalusan, pero masakit daw ng konti yung kanyang left elbow. Yun lang naman ang nangyari sa kanya, but she's still okay in this match. Noel?
There was a wrong server ba tinawag dito?
Yes,
sa
I think Bea De Leon was supposed to serve, but instead Michelle Morente did the serve, and the first referee called. Now, second referee checking the rotation for Ateneo.
Gani will come in. Let's see if they will allow the substitution as referee Jess Villarreal or make that Rodrigo Rojas double checks the alignment here of Ateneo. And Gani will come in for the first time. Papalitan niya ito si Daniel. Buti na lang may lumitaw na Agudia. Sa sunod na tanong ko doon, sino setter? Agudia is of course the third string setter and the youngest member of the team as well. Tied at 8. Again, when you have a situation where you have players not used to playing with each other, ito yung nangyayari. Mikasa is the official ball of the Shakey's B-League. And Kim Gatchaliana pushes one across.
Smart move, putting that into the corner. Kita niya walang tao dun.
At yun na nga, yung quickness of the decision there from Gatchaliana. Again, this unit not used to playing with each other. I know you can call it the unit of the future para dito sa Ateneo. But as of now, hindi pa sila magkakilala masyado. Kim Gatchaliana tries to get that point and she does again. So sipag ang pinapakita dito ni Kim.
Bantay na bantay ang net.
Right. 10-8. Ateneo up by 2. Mitch Morente. Who Amy Ahumiro calls one of the funniest girls on the team.
Yes, actually. Pag bumibisita ko dyan, lagi nilang niloloko yun sila.
Right. Tajima tries to score. Here's Almonte and cannot penetrate the defense of Tajima, so her presence at the net alters that shot. 11-8. Ateneo, maagang simula nilang pag-alagwa rito. Morente once again. If I'm not mistaken, Mitch Morente was actually considered for national team duty even before she came into college.
Okay. We can see her doing business.
Right. Tuchia with a good dig. Tuchia now from the back. Tajima, yes. And every time May Tajima scores, there is a big roar. Oh.
Yeah.
And the young lady from Davao gets it done. Saan yung nahanap sa Davao to? Sa sulok ng Davao? Ganun ba? So 12-8 right now. Napako na po sa 8 puntos. Itong St. Louis. And again, another ace.
With some luck.
And a timeout here for St. Louis. That's 5 straight points now for Ateneo. Let's listen in to Henry Fuentes.
Hindi ka nakatingin dito. Titingnan mo yung bola kung saan pag sumapit ang bola sa pag-header yun. Kasi ikaw malapit sa net. Okay, tulala na naman tayo. Enjoy tayo, nawawala na naman natin. Okay, isang good receive lang tayo. Mas mainit pag laro yan kasi hindi masyado ko nagagamit. Na yung ka lang. Okay, o so kung hindi gagawin natin, pag ganyan na laro. Okay, ready.
While that huddle is going on, let's take a look at this service ace again coming from Mitch Morente. While that huddle was going on, nakikita ko dito yung dalawang injured players ng Ateneo, si Ella De Jesus and Denden Lazaro. Parang nagmemeron lang doon sa timeout.
Para lang masabi na
nagpapatawa. Very light atmosphere. Of course, that will all change in the quarterfinals. At tanong dyan, is Ateneo going to be the #1 seed of Group A? Maraming komplikasyon kasi dyan as we have a net violation against Roxanne Almonte. Maraming complications dyan because of the way Adamson and Arellano engaged each other din dito, no? As Geronimo checks back into the game for Madulid. Because Arellano beat Ateneo in 5 sets. Ateneo beat Adamson in 4 sets.
Yeah.
Adamson beat Arellano in 5 sets. So technically, by my mathematics, if Ateneo goes on to win this match, they should be the #1 seed in case of a 3-way tie.
Well, you can see, pag ganon, for those of you who doesn't know, pag nagkakatay, inuuna muna yung ratio by set.
Oh, drop there. Coming from Ateneo. That's 7 straight already now for the Lady Eagles. So, by virtue of just nakatipid sila ng 1 set against Adamson, that could be enough to make them the #1 team if they get this win. Of course, may laban pa ang Adamson against St. Benilde, and we all know how dangerous St. Benilde can be.
Yeah.
That's a point para dito para dito sa St. Louis as yung block tumama daw sa net. So finally, nakaangat na sila from that 8-point rut that they were in. Lion Tiger, Mosquito Coil and Aerosol is a proud partner of the Shakey's B-League. Wow, nice serve there coming from Geronimo. And Lorraine Geronimo, a Parang birthday niya eh, no?
Getting that ace.
Yep. 15-10, Ateneo still up by 5. Sharapovic shriek pa siyang ginagawa pag nagsaserve eh. Gek Iliana.
Good
There's
defense.
Johnny, yep. And given up by Almonte. Quick set to Tajima. Coverage is there, however. Rossi sending it to Almonte. Long rally. Giselle Tan. Gek Iliana scores. Well, Gek Iliana scoring heavily for Ateneo. They are up by 6. 16-10 kontra rito sa St. Louis as we listen to the St. Louis huddle.
To spend your precious time on the small things. Because your time is your life. And the less of it you waste, the more of it you live.
Girl, boy, match.
Okay, Abby now Facebook.
At home na lang?
Twitter? Chat?
We're chatting now.
Wait, what?
Hey, baby girl.
Worried about mobile internet costs? Try new SmartNet. It's free and easy mobile internet access. Free face.
Kuna natin siya. Yeah.
Yun. Mas deserve daw siya
okay lang
face
yan.
of the game.
Kaya naman niya bumili ng pizza. Ba't pa natin bibigyan?
Gutom lang yan.
Hindi, gusto lang niya yung prestige of being face of the game. One day, tingnan mo, makikita mo, tatambay-tambay dito. She's out for the season actually. As there's a service ace once again from Kim Gahiliana. Ella De Jesus, for Ella De Jesus fans, she's out for the season because of a stress fracture on her right shin. Na may protective boot nga siya na sinusuot dito ngayon. As Sunshine Banhawan checks back in. Then Lazaro naman sabi ni Rina kanina, 2 weeks out na lang siya. I believe it's only gonna be 1 week. Actually, she can play on it right now if do or die itong laban na ito. So she's just resting it. As Gani sends it across. Giselle Tan. Maraginot. Cross court is a miss.
Too wide.
Yung mga errors na naman itong Ateneo. Wouldn't it be a thrill to see Ateneo use this unit from the second set and third set and still get the match, ano? Nakapagpahinga na talaga yung mga key players. Good serve there coming from Banhawan. Maragino turned back at the net by Gani. Mahabol na naman na St. Louis.
5 points na lang ang lamang.
Maragino talaga andun. Ross, puro malalaki kalaban eh. So 17-12. Sharp service, too sharp this time coming from Sunshine Banhawan.
Serving it into the net. Now.
Yan na, sige, hiyawan na net. Hiyawan na net. Yan. Nate Najima. Reyna ng selfie. Mejia gets to that one. Too near to Chia. Tumira pa rin.
Good cover.
And here's Maraginot.
Oh!
Wow. Sometimes it's better to be lucky than good. Nadaplisan lang ng konti ng depensa ng St. Louis yun. 19-12. When was the last time you were in Baguio naman?
Baguio.
Baka medyo recent naman siguro yun.
Recently. I went to, climbed Mount Pulag.
Wow.
So, duman kami Baguio.
Over lang pala yun. Uy, si Chia able to drop that one in. So, mountain climber ka na rin pala ngayon.
Ways of trying to get fit.
Ganon. Laro ka na lang ng volleyball. Torres and Daniel will return. Maraming ang fans na nagsasabi, kailan ulit natin mapapanood maglaro si Attorney Z and her powerful jump serve. Jump serve lang ba naalala nyo kay Zier Baso? Here's Maraginot getting it across. Daniel, quick set, papunta kay Rossi, masyado mababa. Giselle Tan, Bea De Leon. In the air right now for Chichia. Tajima gets to it. Sino ba una nakahawak? Si Kekiliana o si Tajima?
I think it was Kekiliana, and when they looked at each other, hindi na nakita ni May yung bola, and it was too late when she was trying to get the ball.
Tajima is what, 6'1", playing the back row. That's always going to be interesting right now in the absence of a libero. Morente into the net. No defense there. 4 na lang ang abante ng Ateneo, ha? And if it's Sun Family Pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's. Elaine Daniel once again. Maraguinot, Tan, De Leon, again, single block. Coming from Christian Chuchilla. 3 na lang po ang abante ng Ateneo. Elaine Daniel, still no move. At least a timeout man lang para dito kay Parley Tupas. What a serve. Galing sa likod, Morente. Daniel.
Ooh, bad
another
set again.
setting violation. That's the 3rd time Daniel has been called for that. And a timeout will be called here by St. Louis. 4 po ang abante rito ng Ateneo.
So, ibigay mo sa mas madali. Kung mapasok ang pwede ibigay sa akin. Ba't may pipilin ko sa doon eh? Diba? Imbis na nakapulong tayo doon, okay, advantage na tayo doon. Pero hindi advantage sa bigay natin. So, kung saan tayo mas madali? Okay? Sabi mo, kung nahihirapan na, para makapagpalit tayo ng ano, dalawa sa tayo. Kasi doon, kung hindi na sa doon. Doon tayo, namamatay. O, once up, last time mo pa tayo. Wala tayo.
Rito kay Henry Fuentes, is always smiling. Diba? Hindi siya nagagalit sa kanyang team even if there's some blatant errors na talaga. I mean, each to his own, ano? I mean, you've been under 2 coaches who are different styles. Well, hindi ko lang kung naabutan mo si Coach Tai. But Roger Goraib is a very fiery coach naman.
Yes, very. Very is an understatement.
But again, you're also under Charo Soriano, who is naman very soft-spoken naman as a coach. And even Mick Laborte, if I'm not mistaken, dumaan ka rin doon. I mean, which style works, it depends on the player, I guess. And De Leon cannot convert the gift. Rossi gets it across. Tan, quick set to De Leon. Pag na-develop niya ito, De Leon is what, almost 6 feet tall.
Yeah, she's very tall. And konting training pa yan. Someone to watch out for.
Napanood ko nga isang araw na sa Blue Eagle, dumaan ako sa training lang sa Blue Eagle Gym. Naglalaro ng basketball after their training. And she's quite good also at it. Here's Danielle right now. And Tajima cannot keep that one in play. So St. Louis just trying to make it exciting right now, but a few errors here and there for Ateneo. We could have a tight ending dito sa ating second set.
Wala yan, nagkakagulo sila sa pwesto.
Rotation violation na nga sila kanina eh. Tan, inangat para kay Morente. And Morente looking for a check ball, non-called.
You can see from the stats, when it comes to the digging department, si Michelle Morente actually leads the team with 9 excellent digs.
Well, again, walang Dendel Lazaro. Otherwise, we would have had 19 already from her. De Leon turned back there by Chuchilla. Tajima on the setup for Morente. And here is the shot from Torres. Tajima, galing sa likod. Kim Gekiliana. Daniel, free ball. At masyado malakas. Nagkaaluray-luray doon ang opensa ng St. Louis. 23-18. So Joanna Maraguinot now 2 points away from claiming the second set. Torres. And here's the setup now for Morente. Torres again. Habol si Geronimo. Free ball given up there by Mejia. Combination play. Gekiliana. Kim Gekiliana scoring a lot.
Filling up for Eliza Valdez.
Well, Eliza is here. Petix muna siya sa bench. 6 set points ngayon para sa Ateneo. Incoming freshman, Maraguinot. Daniel. Chuchilla. Morente. Tan. Gekiliana. Tinawid naman niya ni Geronimo. Back set ngayon, Michelle Morente. Morente is the only starter left in the game. What a dig. Coming from Maraguinot. De Leon.
And it's good from De Leon.
Rhea De Leon, the 6-foot incoming freshman, makes it a 25-18 win for Ateneo in set number 2. As we take a look at our shaky shake and play. From defense to offense, no problem so far for the Lady Eagles against St. Louis.
Oh, Jovay si Mitch. Pinsan ko. Hey, I just met you. And this is crazy, pero what's your number?
0.
Ay, ibang network.
Text me.
Maybe.
Wala nang text me maybe. With Talk and Text, only text to all 20. 20 pesos lang. 2 days na only to all networks na. Panalo.
Text, ha?
Text mo rin? Definitely. Hanggang bukas pa. Sa only text to all 20, araw-araw panalo ka.
From the leader in mobile, call and text.
Numbers from the second set still won by Ateneo, dominating in the attacks, although lumamang SLU pagdating sa blocking, errors, tabla, and so far so good for the Lady Eagles despite using their second lineup.
So you can see from the attack points, lamang na lamang talaga ang Ateneo, and ang errors, pantay lang naman sila. We can see from the stats, Kim Gigiliana actually leading with 10 and Valdez for the second. Kahit umupo na yan si Valdez, nandun pa rin yun sa top 2.
That's right. Well, Valdez did start the game, and if she comes back into the game, ibig sabihin may problema na ang Ateneo.
Tama.
But the Ateneo is using their second unit right now. At nakausap ko nga yung driver nitong St. Louis. Kahapon daw, imbis na daw training, punta lang daw sila Carnaval. Nag-enjoy na lang daw mga bata doon sa Carnaval, and it's a good release na rin. Karamihan nga dito mga bakasyonista rin naman talaga eh.
Right.
Lita Jima able to score again, and I have to correct myself earlier about Joanna Maragino.
Yes.
She's actually an incoming third year.
Yes,
Thank you for pointing that out, attorney.
No problem.
Para sigurado lang, baka mamaya maano tayo eh. Objection, tapos sustained. Diba? Chia into the net.
Chia also has 10 points up her sleeve for
wow.
attack points. Well, 9 from attacks and 1 from block.
Well, yun na nga, si Chia, this is her most points since opening with 26 against Southwestern. Torres.
There.
Oo. Chia has to give up a free ball. Giselle Tan sa kabila, Maraginot. Turn back by Rossi. One more time around para kay Maraginot. In-over na lang niya. And Quesada, the new libero para sa koponan ng St. Louis. Takes that one up. Tajima! Palakas. Uy, check ball.
Wow.
Check ball ang may tatawag dito. And walang angal galing kay Rossi.
Yung mga ganyan, mga masasabi mong bata pa.
And if it's Fun Family Pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's. Get Iliana on the serve. Chuchia gets to it. Chuchia now into the net again. So bumababa ng attack percentage dito ni Christian Chuchia.
medyo probably she was shaken up. Tumama
Sa
siya.
Carnaval. Yes, sa Carnaval.
Ayo.
Andun pa rin yung mga paikot-ikot ng mga rides dun. And Lion, Tiger, Mosquito, Coil, and Aerosol, proud partners of the Shakey's Speedy. Maraming salamat sa inyo. Quick set now to Colleen Rossi, dug up there by Kekiliana. Maraginot. And that one is off the hands of Elaine Daniel. So Ateneo now 5-0. May lakad na yata itong mga to. Na-realize nila.
Sila naman yung pupunta sa Carnaval.
Oo, nainggit no? Yan ang gusto kong makita. Sino kayang pinakamalakas? Kayo nung nagkakarnabal kayo, sino pinakamalakas tumili sa inyo pagdating sa mga rides? I mean sa Fab 5.
I was gonna say I'm betting on May Tajima.
Pero hindi sa inyo, sa panahon nyo.
Siguro si Phil.
Parang no?
Hindi girl na girl
Uy, malapit na nga si Phil, ano? Ayan. So, we take a look at this play once again. Oo nga, no? I would think si Phil Kainglet would be yung matili.
Oo.
Sino yung pinakabato naman yung hindi tumitili at all?
CA.
Nakachi. Daniel's attempt at trying to dig up May Tajima shot fails. If May Tajima gets the double figure, she's making a strong case for player of the game.
Yeah, right. Well, seeing Valdez is just sitting on the bench.
Right. Sasayaw-sayaw ng dugi kanina.
Yeah.
Ay, hindi pala siya. Oh, service ace coming from Tajima. Sino sumasayaw ng dugi kanina?
Si ano?
Humiro?
Tilian yung mga tao.
Oo nga. And Axel is the official outfitter of the Shakey's V-League. Yan dapat pinapanood nyo po ng live ang Shakey's V-League. May kita nyo yung mga antics in between sets.
Yung mga hindi nyo nakikita sa live stream o sa TV.
Yes. Colleen Rossi right now, 7-2 ang ating score. Reception by Morente. Giselle Tan. Inabot pa rin ni Bea De Leon.
And it worked.
And it always helps to be very long and very agile as Ateneo has opened up a 6-point lead. And pakinig naman tayo dito kay Parley Tupas. Miss natin si Parley Tupas. Pwede ba natin pakinggan yung flight attendant. Diba? Look at that. The brain trust of Sports Vision, of course, Chairman Moing Martirino and President Ricky Palou. Somebody you're very familiar with, of course, Mr. Ricky Palou. All those years with Ateneo. Well, 8-2 right now, Ateneo. With the second unit still on the floor. So far, so good for them. And Giselle Tan sends that one into orbit. So 8-3, Christian Chuchia scoring in double figures for the first time since opening day. And because it's the official ball of the Shakey's V-League, Giselle Tan, combination play, Morente.
You're mentioning kanina na pwedeng si May Tajima yung mag-player of the game. And you can see here from the stats, yung attacks niya, she has already 4 with a 66% success rate. Pwede.
Best spiker at least of the game, ano? Here is Almonte!
Oh, it goes out.
Munti ka na yun. Namutla doon si Dekiliana. 10-3. Timeout na naman ang St. Louis.
Lahat tayo. Walang nagdadala sa loob ng court. Walang leader. Kayo mismo, sumasabay kayo sa kanila. Tulala kayo. Kumalaw tayo. Maglaro tayo. Mag-enjoy tayo. Okay? Enjoy lang tayo. Hindi pa tapos ang laro. 10-3 pa lang yan. Sasabay na sa laro natin yan. Sa bagal ng laro. Good.
Daming fans ni Zee Roshi sa Twitter. You're doing a good job, Zee. Ano yung wale? Wale. Watch me say wale things. Di naman. Actually, you're doing very well on your debut dito.
Thank you.
And then we all have to start somewhere. Diba? I mean, what was it like during your first volleyball game na may mga nanonood sa'yo? Diba?
That was rattling.
Oo. What's more rattling? This or that? Diba?
That, yung camera nakatutok sa amin.
Oo.
Buong magdamag.
Under the microscope.
Sabi nga ni Coach Roger sa amin dati, daig niyo pa celebrity, mayat maya nasa TV kayo.
Oo nga. And it worked out very well for you girls because umabot nga kayo ng, during the 5-5 generation twice in the finals. Aquino and Gani will return for Marian Torres and Elaine Daniel. So 11-4 right now. Second unit of Ateneo doing very well. Aquino. Tan. Oh, there's Maraginot.
But it goes out.
Kahanap ng Daplis, hindi nakuha. 11-5. Again, it's okay for Ateneo to play at this pace. Wag lang sila magkaroon ng maraming errors playing at this pace. Tan. Inangat para kay Morente. Aquino is there. Bumalik sa side ng Ateneo. Giselle Tan, combination play. Get Kiliana again.
That was a good spike. Another clean hit.
They have big shoes to fill actually para dito kay Kim Kiliana. Because of course the great elevator lost for the season. Ang tanong siya, kailan kayo makakabalik si Ana Gubico? Matatagalan pa kaya yun?
Well, it depends on her recovery din.
Good block there coming from Tajima. And Tajima alters that shot. Again, it always helps to have a 6'1" threat in front of the net.
Kahit iangat mo lang yung arms mo, okay na.
Right.
Basta dumaplis yung bola. It's a good block.
De Leon on the service and ace. The liberos of St. Louis. Medyo nakakamote sila ngayon, ha? And this will be the last time out for St. Louis. Now down by 9.
So, ang gawin natin, tantayin nyo muna. Yung tanong nyo, hindi kasi yung tatong tanong na ginagawa nyo yung sabi. So, magka-distinct naman. Diba? Kung natuwa ng paano natin, makarating sa atin ng bola, nagiging tayo. Yung paano naman natin, suggest natin. Layo na, oh.
Ayan na naman si Colleen Rossi, naipit na naman doon sa libero spot na kinukuha sa kanya ngayon. Kung pwede lang daw maglaro si Colleen Rossi the whole time, she would do it. Problema yung pwesto niya pinapalitan ng libero. Bea De Leon has been serving since yesterday. Binati natin.
Ikaw lang yun.
Yan, tuloy. Diba? Pero her high school is not that far away from here.
Yeah. Isang kembot lang.
Oh. Lion, Tiger, Mosquito Coil, and Aerosol, proud partners of the Shakey's P-League. Served there by Madulit. Giselle Tan going to Gekiliana.
Good pick there.
Almonte. Giselle Tan, iniwan para dito kay Morente. Nilusot sa block ni Rossi. 15-6.
And you can see Rossi trying to lift the spirits of her teammates.
Yeah. Kailangan mo talaga na isang gano'n, isang maingay na player on your team to try to lift everyone's spirits up. Of course, one of my favorite in doing that is actually from Lasal, Abby Maranyo, when she lifts everyone's spirits up. 16-6.
Siya ang puso eh.
Yeah, talaga.
Oh, Jobay si Mitch. Pinsan ko. Hey, I just met you. And this is crazy, pero what's your number?
Hero,
Ay, ibang network.
text me.
Maybe.
Wala nang text me maybe. With Talk and Text, only text to all 20. 20 pesos lang. 2 days na only to all networks na. Panalo!
Text, ha?
Text mo rin? Definitely! Hanggang bukas pa! With only text to all 20, araw-araw panalo ka!
From the leader in mobile, call and text like there's no tomorrow. Smart prepaid Unli Call and Text 25.
I'm so unlucky.
Real-time Unli texts. Clear Unli calls.
We're here.
Now to 3 networks. For only 25 pesos. Text Unli 25 to 6406.
Again?
Sana.
Joey,
only call ang tropa.
is going to serve. If it's Fun Family Pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's. So far, Gekiliana still the leading scorer para sa Ateneo. Muntik na siya magkaroon ng isa pang ace. Chuchia on the drop. Giselle Tan leaves it for Tajima. Chuchia. One more time around for May Tajima. This time nakabawa siya ni Chuchia. Here's Aquino. Going over to Chuchia. Hindi na itawid. So 18-8 right now for Ateneo. Gekiliana. Oh, well, sorry, 2 starters remaining. Gekiliana and Morente still on the floor. And here is Rossi trying to drop it in. Giselle Tan. Tajima na abangan talaga ni Chuchia.
Oh, that one's out.
At the battle of the 2 Japanese surnames. Tajima versus Chuchia. And Daniel will return. Mariam Torres will return. Daniel will serve.
Try to close the gap between the scores. 18-9.
Sharp serve. Fielded by Morente. Tan going to Maraginot and that misses. So ito na naman yung habol na ginagawa ng St. Louis. Usually at this point of the set. And there's the serve coming from Daniel. Tajima cannot get it down. Here is Daniel. Giselle Tan going back to Tajima. Ginagawa na scoring machine si Tajima. Chuchia. De Leon. Tan. Maraginot. Oh, Rossi cannot convert. (19-10) Ateneo. May Tajima already with 2 service aces today, if I'm not mistaken.
Ooh, nice.
That's the third one. Crowd favorite talaga ito si May Tajima. 20-10 Ateneo.
See if she can make an ace.
This side nakuha na yung bola. Cross-court attack there from Chuchia. Morente keeping it alive. Free ball Ateneo. Daniel, double attack. And Torres scores. 20-11. Daming bumabati rito si Gervasio sa Twitter niya.
Rossi to serve. Good receive.
Here's Tan on the quick now for Bea De Leon, who scores easily. 21-11. Giselle Tan, napapagod na yata si Giselle Tan. Now to serve. Well, doesn't look like she's tired with that serve. Almonte, Madulid. Giselle Tan, combination play. Maraginot, dug up there by Quezada. Chuchia. Giselle Tan, binalik pa sa kabila kay Morente. Well done by Giselle Tan.
Hirap na siya pero she still threw it over to Michelle Morente.
Ano yan?
Made the point.
Reverse shoot ang ginawa dito for Morente. Yung depensa, nandun na lahat sa isang side eh. Giselle Tan once again. Service ace. 23-11, 2 puntos na lang po ang kailangan ng Ateneo to finish the preliminary round with a 4-win, 1-loss card and momentarily, tie Arellano for the top spot. Depending on what Adamson will do against St. Benil, we could have a 3-way tie for first place.
And from that, titingnan na lang natin yung ratio
Yun.
on who gets the first and second and third place for Group A.
At tatawid po yung mga yan sa mga kalaban nila sa kabilang grupo naman.
For the quarterfinals.
Yeah, for the quarterfinals. And Michelle Morente gives Ateneo 12 match points. And Joanna Maraguinot trying to make it official. Cuchilla, Quesada, Torres. Naitawid pa rin! And that's how you score sometimes. 24-13. Here's the finishing touch from Bea de Leon. (25-13), straight sets win for Ateneo. Now 4 wins and 1 loss, tying them with Arellano atop of Group A. Depende ngayon kung anong gagawin ng Adamson, we could have a 3-way tie. And we have our shaky shake and play. Bea de Leon puts it away for Ateneo.
Like there's no tomorrow. Smart Prepaid Unli Call and Text 25.
I'm so unlucky.
Real-time Unli texts. Clear Unli calls.
We're here.
Now to 3 networks. For only 25 pesos. Text Unli 25 to 6406.
Again?
Sana. Joey, only call ang tropa.
Sana. Dalawa ang Unli ko.
Tol, di na pipili. Sa Unli Text All, plus Unli Tropa Call. Unli Text All. Unli Call sa pinakamalaking tropa. Panalo!
Textan?
Tawagan?
I-Unli na yan! 20 lang! Text 8320 to 4545. Panalo!
Call you can't make.
Apat sa mga players ng Ateneo ang wala dito. Paano ba kayo nag-adjust going into this game?
Of course, training pa din, konting determination and hard work. And grabe talaga yung focus namin sa mga walang naglalaro dito and yun.
Ano pa sa tingin mo yung pwedeng ma-expect sa inyo ng mga fans nyo pag tungtong nyo sa quarterfinal?
Same pa rin na parang happy lang and walang pressure and same pa rin yung focus namin and determination sa loob ng court.
Alright, Kim, kasama natin ngayon si Ate Roma para ibigay sa iyo ang iyong Best Player Prize. May mga gusto ka bang batiin at pasalamatan para sa larong ito?
Hi ulit sa family ko sa Bacolod, sa Hikiliana and Cuenca family na nagsusuporta sa akin. And kay Mr. and Mrs. Tan, hi, and kay mom ko and sisters, and sa old teammate ko na high school, and sa coaches din. Okay?
Alright, maraming salamat sa inyo, Kim. And that's it from my end. I'll turn you back to Noel and Z.
So thank you very much. Ateneo now tied for first place at the top of Group A. Attorney Z, great debut. Congratulations.
Salamat sa inyo lahat.
And of course, on behalf of our interviewer, Rina Villamor, and of course my partner, Z. Herbacio, ito po si Noel Zarate. Paalam.